Welcome to 30 Days of Python. In this course, we're going to be teaching you the Python programming language step by step. We're going to teach you everything you need to know to build your own Python applications that actually do something useful. And the way we're going to do that is in this sort of environment that goes through on your computer, so you can see everything that we do and you can copy it to do it on your computer in the pace that you want to, which is really nice. Python is a powerful language that is really approachable for beginners. That's because it's very similar to English in the way it's written. Of course, it's not English, but it's similar to it. And then it's also just as powerful for experts. That is, SpaceX uses it to launch rockets. Pixar uses it to do animation. Instagram uses it as their backend using Django. It's a really, really powerful language, and I'm so excited to get the opportunity to teach you it. So for the next 30 days, or faster if you want, or longer if you want, doesn't really matter. Take your time, do it at the pace that feels comfortable for you. I'm gonna be teaching you, I'm gonna be walking through with you, and I'll have all the reference code online so you can use that to compare notes basically on what we do in the videos to what you do on your own, so you can really get this thing going much faster. Now, the idea here is to build something real and to do real things so you can understand the context of how it all works and how it blends together. My name's Justin Mitchell, and thanks so much for checking out this series. I'm really excited to have you.